Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting one more problem we'll be solving related to pension. Mr. S retired from service on 31st March 2022. So he's retiring from his service on 31st March 2022. His pension was fixed at 6,000 per month. So per month he was getting 6,000 rupees pension. He commutes half of his pension and receives 3 lakh rupees. So half of his total pension he is commuting and he is receiving 3 lakh rupees. ಅವನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧವನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ತರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Find out the taxable amount of commuted pension. Again, they have given three cases. If he is a government employee, he is a non-government employee who receives gratuity, and he is a non-government employee who doesn't receive gratuity. So based on this information, we need to solve the problem. You have to write name of the assessee, previous year and assessment year. That is compulsory. Let us take category number 1. Category number 1 says that he is a government employee. In my part 1 video, I have solved a table. So that table clearly shows what will be the tax treatment for government employee and what will be the tax treatment for non-government employee. Part 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು table ಇದೆ that will help you to solve this problem. So two columns I have to take, particulars column and amount column. If he is a government employee and for commuted pension, government employee ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ commuted pension is completely exempted. If he is a government employee, the value of commuted pension will be completely exempted. It is tax free. So first we have to write the value of commuted pension. In question they have given value of commuted pension is 3 lakh rupees. Value of commuted pension is 3 lakh rupees. So that 3 lakh rupees I'll write in the amount column. Less exemption. So we all know that as he is a government employee, completely he'll have the exemption for commuted pension ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ 3 lakh minus 3 lakh will be 0 and that 0 will be the taxable value of commuted pension. ಕೇವಲ commuted pension ನ taxable value ಅದು. Next will be category number 2. Category number 2 speaks if he is a non-government employee who receives gratuity. Gratuity receive ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ 1/3 of the full pension will be exempted. ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Now particulars and amount column. First always write the value of commuted pension. The value of commuted pension is 3 lakh rupees. Again he'll get certain exemptions. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು exemptions ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. What is that? 1/3 of the full pension. 1/3 of the full pension. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೇನು? Okay, I'll write here. So commuted pension, it is 3 lakh rupees. Commuted pension bandu 3 lakh rupees. Ee 3 lakh rupees, it is half of the full pension. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಮುದ್ದ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಹಾಫ್. ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್. ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್. ಸೊ 3 lakh ಇಂಟು 2/1 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 2/1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 6 lakh rupees. ಸೊ 6 lakh rupees ಇಸ್ ದ ಫುಲ್ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅವನು ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 6 lakh will be 3 lakh. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ 1/3 ಇಂಟು 3 lakh ಇಂಟು 2/1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 lakh rupees ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ exempted. So out of 3 lakh, if 2 lakh is given as exemption, then the taxable value will become 1 lakh rupees. Taxable value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 lakh rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, if he is a non-government employee who does not receive gratuity. ಅವನು gratuity receive ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? The same two columns you have to take, particulars column and amount column. Value of commuted pension will be 3 lakh rupees less exemption. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/3 ಬದಲು half of the pension, 1 by 2 of the pension, full pension will be exempted. So 1 by 2 into 3 lakh into 2 by 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ taxable value of commuted pension will be 0. So this is how we need to solve the problem in 3 cases. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. In my next videos, I'll come back with more problems related to pension. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.